All I see is blessings. Got no time for stressing. Don't
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to the family. My name is Precious Society. It's based here in the UK. So guys, today I'm going to be unboxing some of the food stuff I got from Nigeria. I'm super excited about this. Like, I'm really excited. I got some package, and this delivery was it took just 3 days. It wasn't up to 3 days because the guy told me that I was going to be leaving on Sunday, and I got this package today, which is Wednesday. Within 3 days I got my food stuff, which I'm super excited about. It didn't take that much. So guys, I want to unbox it with you guys and show you everything I got from Nigeria. I'm so excited about it, guys. I think I've been in the UK. This is the second time I'm getting food stuff from Nigeria. I don't know if it's really worth it. This is better for me to get the food stuff here in the UK, or just buy the food stuff, then cargo it and bring it back here. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? Which one do you feel is more cheaper? Do you feel that cargoing food stuff from Nigeria to bring to the UK is more cheaper, or just buying the food stuff here? What do you guys think? Let me know. So yeah, let's unbox this together and see what is in here. So, oh, I need to get a knife. Okay, or a scissors, if probably. Yep. I can perceive the crayfish and everything already. Oh my god. Guys, if you see me looking at this place, I'm also filming for TikTok, so that's why I'm looking at two places. Wow. Oh my god, my food stuff is here. This is egusi. Yeah, is it egusi? Yeah, this is egusi. I also got egusi. Then crayfish. Oh my god, you know how expensive crayfish is here in the UK? I got one little sachet for just £3. Like, so small. For just, is it £3 or be £6? It was so small. I was really angry. Like, what the hell? Crayfish is one of the reasons I decided to bring it here. So, okay. Oh my god, my tongue laughing. This is so big. I'm super happy, guys. Like, now my food, I can't wait to use this to make draw soup, ogbono. Use this to make ogbono, guys. Oh my god, this is crazy. Okay, I also got, what is this? Seriously, I don't know what's there. Pepper soup spices. This is pepper soup spices, guys. Pepper soup spice. Oh, it's quite heavy. Here, pepper soup spices. Oh my god. Oh, they gave me a grounded one, and also this one. Is it? Okay, this is crayfish and bitter leaf in here, and this is like the grounded crayfish, or is this ogbono? No, this is grounded crayfish also. Bonga. This is okay, bonga. Ogbono is one of my favorite soup. Like, no, I can eat ogbono or like for one more, just be eating just draw soup. I love eating ogbono. So this is black soup ingredients. Like, I'm from Edo, and one of our favorite soup from Edo State is black soup. This is black soup ingredient. I think my grandma miss oziza, a baby area, scent leaf, and all that in here. Yeah, that's what she normally does. She always makes different leaf for me to put here. Bonga as well. What is this? I don't know what is this. I don't really want to scatter this, because at least I'll just know, okay, what is inside. Then whenever I want to use it, I'll just pick from this to use. This is another ogbono. Grandma. This is another ogbono. Ground pepper too. Ground crayfish. This is a good one. I love the fact that crayfish is really many, because I use a lot of crayfish for mine. My dry fish, guys. God, I bought dry fish here in the UK. Like, one was £7 and it was not really big. I'm super excited for this dry fish. I can't wait to use this to make stew. Oh yes, you just use just the fish for the stew. Then what is this? I think this is my oil. Hopefully this is it. If you need the contact of the cargo company, you can let me know in the comment section, and I would gladly reply you if you need the contact of the cargo company. It just took less than 3 days and I got my goods. This is definitely my oil. I don't know. Yeah, this is the oil. I don't know why. I'm seeing the way they package all this goods. Like, it's not going to spoil. Even if it took like 15 working days, it's still not going to get spoiled. I don't know why in the UK the red oil here does not red. It's like, I don't even know how to describe it. You will use it to make egusi or use it to make ogbolo. The thing will not red. Oh, the one that is very frustrating is when I use it to make beans. My beans will be white. Imagine putting red oil into your beans and it's white. Like, what the hell? Like, if you know where I can get good red oil in the UK, you can still let me know in the comment section. Like, I really want to know where I can get a good red oil here. Yeah, this is definitely oil here. So this is it, guys. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you want the contact. This the delivery just took less than 3 days. I did the one of 5 within 5 to 7 working days, and it came just less than 3 days. I got everything. So if you want the contact, just let me know. I will definitely share it with you guys. So let me unbox my red oil. I'm super excited, guys, and I'm still going to order more. It's really not, and these things is going to last me for like half the year, because just me and my husband, so it's going to last us so much. I think the next one that I'm going to make sure I get snail. God, I miss snail. I've been craving for snail like since I got to the UK. I wanted to get from the Africa shop. She was telling me one snail for £8, and where will I break it? How will I wash it? All those stress. I just decided, I'm not going to bother myself. So that's why I didn't buy that snail that day. And how many will I buy when she's selling just one snail for like £8? That's too much now. That's definitely too much. They package this stuff very well. Yeah, my red oil is, yeah. No more cooking with white oil. No more cooking with white oil. Super excited, guys. I think this is this, how many liters is this one? I'm not sure, but I'm super happy. I got everything I wanted. I'm so excited about this fish, this dry fish. And now things are really expensive in Nigeria. Like this fish, I think it was like 80,000 or something. Just this one, no. Just this one. Where is that country going to? Nigeria? Where is it? God help them. God help us. It's not even them, because my family members, they are still there. God will definitely help us, guys. Guys, I'm super excited for these things I got. Hope there is nothing else, because I don't want to go and throw away. Yeah. So I don't want to go and throw away what I will definitely need. I'm super excited for this. So I got what I got from Nigeria. This food stuff I got was dry fish, blended crayfish, bonga, ogbono. I think this is banga spices. Yeah, I think this is banga spices, blended dry pepper. This should be Igbo Lucas beans. I think this should be Lucas beans. And my pala. I'm so happy I got this stockfish and here, and also this crayfish. I used a lot of crayfish, so I'm happy about this. And this mixture of for black soup, blended leaf. I think the mixture here is anyway, I'm going to ask no, then I'll just put it on the screen. This should be a bewaria, oziza leaf, scent leaf, and all that. And I also got bitter leaf. I use bitter leaf to cook ogbono, egusi. I don't use the normal fresh. I cannot even get normal fresh ugu leaf and all that. And the one I do see is not always that fresh, so I normally use bitter leaf for it. So yeah, I normally use bitter leaf for it. This is everything. This is all the food stuff I got from Nigeria, and I'm super excited, especially for my oil. This oil, I'm super excited about it, because the oil, the red oil, yeah, in the UK is something else. I'm super excited about this. So we've come to the end of this video. I just want to show you guys all I've got. So if you're new here, welcome to the family. My name is Precious Osage, a YouTuber based here in the UK. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. And I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Peace.